Type 2 slowly changing dimensions. Hi everyone, this is Sam with Python Basics. So in today's video, we're going to be really starting to slowly morph into the data engineering field that we are really wanting to move into. So if you're new here, thanks for joining us. This is what we do. We do micro videos, one subject at a time. So I've been really stretching myself into the data engineering world because lo and behold, that's apparently what I've been doing for the past few years. And I was really kind of unaware of it because it is an emerging field. It was the data analyst just scooping together all of these tables. Well, now it's, hey, can we streamline all of this compute cost of all of these tables that we're constantly querying? Can we just put them in one location? Hey, that's a really great idea. So these are these iterations that happen. So let's look and see what in the world a slowly changing type 2 table looks like, a product. So there's all sorts of examples out there that I've really struggled with wrapping my head around. So I thought this would be a great example of students in schools. So you're typically in a school for a few years. So that's what we're examining right here. And the main purpose of a type 2 table is tracking historical data. So we have, if you look really close, we have 4 students. And we cover 2 years here. Now, the reason why, so they all started out at Little Elementary. Now, Aaron here, Aaron has moved over, and Aaron is now at Thompson Middle. But I want to look and draw this attention. So the current year, the end year, so the end year and the current year in that record will always be the same. All right, so that's what took me the longest time to figure out. So now, and actually this should be 2016. Let me get that. There we go. All right, so Aaron was at Little Elementary from 2013 to 2015 and then started at Thompson Middle at 2015, and the current year is 2016. So we're going to be working on, I haven't quite got a data set that I feel comfortable sharing and having on my system, but I'm going to build something very similar to this that we can query, and I'm not going to be infringing on anyone else's work and sharing it as my own. But these are the type of things, and writing a query like this is the backbone of what data engineers do. So if this is the type of thing that you're interested in, so please make sure you're hitting that like button, subscribe button, notification bell. There is a link to the Discord server down below. So you're joining that server to get the support that you need and deserve on your data journey, your Python journey, your SQL journey, whatever you need. We are covering everything that you can possibly imagine. So if you just want to drop a comment down below for a video or some help that you need, I'll try to look at those as well. But as always, thank you so much for watching. Stay tuned, and we'll see you next time. Bye, everyone.
Hey guys, thanks for joining us today. I hope you really enjoyed today's video. And if you haven't, check out this video right here or this one right down here. And most important, make sure you're hitting this subscribe button and the notification bell. Thanks again for joining us, and we hope to see you next time. Bye, guys.